Hey, so I made myself, in a previous video, a paintbrush holder, and my son Joseph, he's our middle child, he wanted one as well, and so I am making him a paintbrush holder, but I'm making it different than mine. I will not be making it out of hardwood plank flooring, even though I think that is so cool and it's such a good use of something that you could have extra lying around or you could find for cheap somewhere. But I'm pretty sure I'm using 1x2s right here. Let's see. And then there's a smaller board that I use that for whatever reason I cannot remember what it's called. Aha, square. It's kind of like a, yeah, so it's like a square dowel is what I'm using for the smaller piece. And I'm pretty sure it's the 1/2 inch by 36 inch long square poplar dowel. You can find that at Lowe's. I don't know if you can find them at Home Depot. I'm assuming you can. I get mine from Lowe's. And then I just glued them together using that tape method. By the way, still hate it. I don't know if it's me. It's probably me. Let's be real. I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong, but whew, it's frustrating. So it's fine. But the 1x2s, I will figure out how much they were. The square poplar dowels are $2.98 a piece. So let me see what Lowe's says about 1x2s. What on earth? Okay. 1x2. Easy duty. Alright, so you are looking at $3.38. I don't know what it's like in your area, but something around there. Something around $5 a board. Maybe higher. I don't know. But I'm making them in a hexagon shape, so that's why there's a 30-degree cut. So you have 6 sides. It's very cool. And I already have them taped together here. I did not record that. I was so frustrated. It's really not my favorite, but I was worried about trying to put some brad nails in there, so that's why I went ahead and taped them. I didn't want it to poke through on the other side, or I don't know. I don't know what could have happened, but I chose not to do it that way. Here I am sanding them, getting them nice and smooth and ready to glue up and put together. I'm just using my DeWalt orbital sander. I say mine. It's mine and my husband's. It's ours, but you know, it's fine. He understands for the sake of the videos and all the things. I do say mine. It's what I do. And get all those little ones all sanded up. They're so cute. I like those little dowels. They're cute. Little square ones. I probably could still save some money by making my own. I don't know if I want to try, to be honest. And by all rights, I could have made this on the CNC machine. The CNC machine is pretty awesome, the long mill, but I did not. I went ahead and just made the shapes myself. Who knows, maybe one of these days I'll make something cool like this with the long mill, because I think that would be really neat. Oh yeah, and I made a little bottom out of like a base to hold the paintbrushes from falling through the bottom, out of plywood. It's just 1/2 inch plywood. Might be a 1/4 inch plywood, but I'm pretty sure it's 1/2 inch. And I just glue it all together, and I clamp, and I do all of the things. Clamping the hexagon was not easy, by the way. It was a pain in the butt. It kept slipping. I feel like the square one that I made for myself was a lot easier to clamp together. I'm not sure why, but you know. Get it all so to where it's just really sucked down to that other piece. And then you just let it dry. then I'm going to clamp those two pieces that I had clamped together. I'm just going to clamp them, glue them up and clamp them. I use Titebond 2. I really like Titebond 2. If you're going to use something for outdoor, obviously you go for the Titebond 3, which takes longer to dry and is, in my opinion, a little more runny. But I really do love the Titebond 2. My husband is the same way. We love the Titebond 2. It dries really quick. Here Joseph is spray painting it, and then he decided he wanted it black and white, and he taped it up and he sprayed some primer, but he forgot to tape the top of it ended up being black instead of white. So I went through and I fixed it, and I fixed any of the bleed through areas that the tape, for whatever reason, I don't know what happened. And I didn't get him spraying the white. I thought he was just taping it up, and I was going to go down and record him spraying it, but he works really quick, so I didn't get to get that on video. So here I am just fixing up that top piece. It took a minute for me to get that black covered, but once I got that covered to the best that I could, it looked really cute. And then I went through and just fixed up all the little areas that weren't perfect. And I gotta tell you, even with me painting and trying to fix, I made mistakes and had to go back and try to fix them, and then bumped stuff, and you know, the fun stuff. When you try to fix something and it doesn't quite go the way you want it to go, it's fine. You just keep going back and forth between the colors till you have it at least to as close as perfect as you can get it. And the candle on the table is one of the, what is it? Bath and Body Works? Is that what it's called? Pretty sure that's what the store is called. I think it's like something party something. I don't really know, but it smells good. So I had it going because I like things that smell pretty. And I'm pretty sure that all the candles that I buy from there have bergamot in them, and they smell really pretty, just so you know. If you don't like bergamot, then you won't like them, but I like it, so. And look, I'm already using my little paintbrush holder. You can see it sitting there. I love that thing. I really, really like it. I like how Joe's turned out as well. It looks really cute. I feel like I should have made it a little deeper though, but that's okay. It will be fine. And you can see I'm wiping the black off on the paper towel. That's because where I messed up with the white was still wet, and it kept getting on the brush with the black paint, and so it was just smearing it, and so I would have to wipe my brush. It was kind of annoying. Joseph is in class right now, otherwise I would have him come and do some voiceover. I don't know if he would. He might would. He's babysitting his girlfriend's bearded dragon right now, and he is a pretty cool looking little dragon. He's a chunky little thing. He's big. We'll just say that. He's not really that little. I mean, he's little compared to some reptiles, but he's so cute. So cute. I should have recorded a video of him. He's adorable. I'm not sure how to make the painting process for you guys more enjoyable. I enjoy it. I actually enjoy watching it. Not so sure that anybody else does, but it is quite the process to get everything looking the way that it does. You have to be very cautious. I speed it up by a lot because it does take me quite a while. I take my time whenever I'm painting. And there it is, and my handsome son.